What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to plant agapanthus. Okay, so these are agapanthus. They grow really easily. Really, these were already here when we moved in. Now, as you can see, they have a beautiful purple flower, these agapanthus. And basically what I did was I just took out all the ones in the middle here. Like, you can just chop them straight out. So for example, this part here, you would just drive a spade right through there and cut this one here out. You can just drive a spade right through there, or you can take out two or all three, just put the spade in behind, cut all three out, and then what you can do is you just replant them. So I've replanted all these ones up here by my rainwater tank. You can see up here. Can't really see it, but basically I built that retaining wall along there and just planted them all up there, because this is our kitchen window and that's their kitchen window, and those agapanthus there really just block the view between the two kitchen windows, so that's quite good. And there'll be a gorgeous purple flower. See, like this one, well, they'll spring up everywhere, all over there. So yeah, how are you?
So you say.
Well, last week, lives.